We're gonna do some fun canine enrichment in today's video, so stay tuned. So thank you for joining us today. I'm Tanya, and pretty soon you will see Dexter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little canine enrichment themed around the Easter Bunny. So what I have here are just some plastic Easter eggs that I'm not going to fill. You can buy these and fill them with snacks for your dog, but I'm afraid with Dexter he would actually bust these up and I'd have some pieces, and I really don't want that. But inside I do have 1, 2, 3 toys, dog toys that have some snacks inside of them. Basically I have a hard-boiled egg broken up in here and then some of his nice healthy snacks. And inside I also have treats throughout. Now what we can do is you can actually take your basket of goodies and you can hide it either in your fenced-in yard or in your house and have your dog do a find it before he gets these goodies. But because I want to shoot this in video, I'm going to go ahead and just allow Dexter to find it right away instead of hiding it in the house. I also have a video on how to naturally color hard-boiled eggs for your dog, so I'll put that in the description below. And if you like this video and you want to see more canine enrichment videos, please comment in the description and we will see what we can come up with. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the floor and I'm going to bring Dexter out and he will be surprised and we'll see what he does. What do you think? Do you think I should go ahead and take off the cute bonnet? Alright, we'll just keep the snoot on. Is that better? Alright, go find your basket. Okay. 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 Go. Go. Okay, go. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and close out this video. If you think Dexter had fun today, go ahead and give him a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And if you want to dive deeper into your dog's behavior, training, and care, do check out my private Patreon group. The link is below. And for those Cavalier families out there, I also have a private Facebook group. That link is also below in the description. Until next time, remember to pause and enjoy life. And we will see you in the next video. You having fun, Dexter? I think so.